You can see the faces of Rivers people who are here, how joyous they are, because for the past 6 months, they've not been feeling governance. You know, the governor has a mantra, Rivers people first, and that is what he has tailored in his projects, in his programs, in his activities. So Rivers people feel governance with Fubara, but that was absent for the past 6 months. What I have to say is that the legislative arm of government in Rivers State and the executive arm must work harmoniously together for the development and good governance and well-being of the people. That is the only way we can strive. I also want to use this opportunity to thank the FCT Minister and the Governor of Rivers State for towing that part of peace and sustainable development and growth. We are one Rivers people. There's no division. So there's no need for the political rancor to disrupt governance. The Governor swore an oath to serve and protect the lives and property of Rivers people and provide welfare for them. And that's what he has been doing. I know he's going to go back to all his lofty people-oriented projects, and that is what we want, and that's why we are happy.
The governor we chose is the governor we are loyal to, is the governor that Rivers people yearn for, and that governor has returned back to the office today to administer our people. This is a governor that understands how we feel. My people say, best way know they when they bury that body. When they come to assume the crops, they will start from the leg because he doesn't know where the head is. So this governor is part and parcel of us. So he knows our pains, he feels our pains. So his absence, our people have been mourning, our people have been sorrowful. So today you can see it's all over the entire River State is joyous, from the communities to the city center. Everywhere is joyous. Our people are joyous and celebrating. So this is what you are seeing. What you are seeing is a reflection of the mood of our people, the mood of Rivers State. Rivers State is joyous, Rivers is happy, and our people are happy for the return of the governor, His Excellency, Siminialayi Fubara, KSC. grand service star of Rivers State back to Gov't House as governor, and for him to continue to administer our state for the glory of the Almighty and for the betterment and well-being of our people.
We are overwhelmed by joy that our governor is back to govern us. It's an expression to tell you how much Rivers people have missed their dear governor, and also that we have high expectations of him. We know how much passionate he is about the development of Rivers State, and he showed that before the suspension came. And it is our expectation that now that the suspension is over, that he will continue the good works that he commenced, and of course take it to a higher level than what he did previously. And the other two is that we know our governor as a peace-loving person, and we have confidence in him that now that he has come back, that all the political stakeholders will come together and work in one accord for the good of Rivers State. Both the House of Assembly, those in the National Assembly, and those who are holding offices at the center will be expecting the governor to continue the good works that he was doing before the suspension. The other expectation is that, as he has told those of us who are Rivers people and those living and doing business here, that there is no amount of sacrifice that is too much for peace. We're expecting to pursue that path of peace that he has always lived for. And also, like I said previously, a message to other stakeholders. They should come and work together with the governor to make this state a better place. We are not maintaining our pride of place in the Committee of States in Nigeria because of political disagreements here and there. So I expect the governor to put that behind him. Of course, we have lost 6 months. We can't regain it, but we trust that our governor would catch up with whatever we have lost in the past 6 months.
Mr. President has actually done the needful. We yearn for that Rivers State return back to the democratic system. And all through yesterday, when the news broke out in Rivers State, the joy took over everywhere. Everybody was intense spirit, in high spirits, to ensure that we receive our governor. It's a welcome development in Rivers State. We had suffered for about 6 months and have driven back Rivers State backward to about 20 years backward. But we are very optimistic that the governor of Rivers State, Dr. Siminialayi Fubara, with his pro-wings, will immediately move Rivers State to the next level.
We never believed it. It caught us by surprise. Our expectations are very high. His Excellency Siminialayi Fubara understands the problem of Rivers people, and he was on the right track. Because within 2 years in office, he has flagged off, commissioned a lot of projects, and some are running. He's a man that knows the problem of Rivers people. There will be no story, because Rivers people are looking up to him. Well, like I will say, even in a family, there will be crisis, and the time will come for resolution. We have settled our problems. So moving forward is that His Excellency, who knows the problem of Rivers people, who has the organic support from Rivers State, who knows that Rivers supports him, and we not hear any other story other than development and empowering of Rivers citizens. We know that as soon as he resumes office today, that he will start the process. We are happy. That's the most important thing. And let me extend my felicitation to His Excellency the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria for hearkening to the cry of Rivers people, for allowing us go back to the man we all elected. This is a man for the first time in the history of Rivers State that won the 23/23 local government. It has never happened. No governor has done that. Highest they will get is 13 or 14 local governments. But he had 15 and 23 to tell you that the people believes in him. And that's why you can see this is local government people. We came here on our own to celebrate. Celebrations are on even in our various local governments because everybody can come here. We are happy. We are happy with His Excellency. We are happy with Rivers State. And we believe that Rivers State will be better again. Even though I will tell you that we have gone back 20 years behind schedule. But no problem. That's what man sees in life. There will be a time you suffer some hurdles, but we have overcome it. And by the grace of God, Rivers will come back and strong again.
The Bible we all practice and believe as Christians have told us that it's time and season for everything. Okay, this is season for happiness. This is season for joy because democracy has returned back to Rivers State.
So, what are your expectations as we await the arrival of the governor of Rivers State in another 1 year and 8 months or thereabouts?
Well, I knowing the governor for who he is, I'm sure he won't be distracted. He's going to hit the ground running. Remember, he has been doing a lot of good job for Rivers people before the interruption of emergency rule. So I have no doubt that he's focused, he's determined, and he knows what he wants to do, what should do.
What kind of support will you be looking forward to from Rivers people?
It's organic. The support is organic. It has always been organic. It will remain organic. Well, I don't know, with the mammoth crowd I'm seeing here, I don't know if you have taken a look to know they are not here. But you know, I'm not their representative, so I cannot speak for them. But the important thing is that the crowd you're seeing here is what late Azikiwe-Old described as sea of heads. So it's difficult for you to identify who is not here today and who is here today.
We have turned out to welcome our governor and restoration of democratic institution in Rivers State. River people are happy. We are happy that our governor is back to continue his good work, his projects in Rivers State.